Good morning, everyone. Today we'll see the positions. Positions used for the comfort are one of the important aspects of a nursing interventions. Yes, the positions, when we are giving a position to the patient may feel a comfort. Then this is the one of the nursing intervention also. Nursing caring for a client in many settings and situations can adapt various comfortable position to provide them in a comfortable stay. Different positions are used for a physical examinations so that the body part are accessible and clients say is comfortable. Patient is Patient's ability to assume positions depend upon their physical strength and degree of a wellness. The privacy should be kept as the top priority while doing the physical examinations as it will keep them at easy and provide greater accessibility and accuracy in assessing body parts. We must respect our body parts. So here we will see the definitions of the positioning. Positioning is defined as placing the person in such a way to perform therapeutic intervention to promote the health of an individual. Then another definition is there. Position defined as a placing the person in a proper body alignment for the purpose of preventive, promotive, curative and rehabilitative aspects of the health. Then there is a purpose behind the positioning. To provide the comfort, it is first to the patient to provide the pressure on various parts to improve the circulation to prevent the formation of deformity, to carry out investigations, to perform surgical and medical investigations, to prevent pressure sores, to provide proper body alignment, to conduct delivery, labor, to carry out using nursing intervention. And principles also is there. So behind that positioning principle is there the systemic and the orderly way of doing, cooperation between two, and that patient and the client and the staff, or you can say the nurse. Then follow safety measures to prevent the accidents, active participation, using a right technique at a right time. Then factor involved in positioning is need of an individual, self-care ability, extension of disabilities, and nature of diseases conditions, level of consciousness and protocol of the hospital. Yes, according to the hospital's protocol, it will also involve in the positioning. Then there is a types of positioning we are using. We have 9 type of positioning: dorsal position, dorsal recommend position, lithotomy position, prone position, Sims position, knee chest position, Trendelenburg position and Fowler's position. Then there is a type of patients need special care, especially patient one who is unconscious need the special care. Then infant or a children, they also need a special care. Then hemiplegic and paraplegic patient also need a health care. Then immediate post-operative patient, orthopedic patient and cardiac patient. These types of patient need a special nursing care. Then general instructions while we are giving a care to the patient: maintain good body alignment of the patients at all time. Then support body part in good alignment by using supportive devices to promote comfort and prevent muscle strain. Avoid prolonged flexion of any one body segment by changing the position at least every 2 hours. When we are changing the position every 2 hourly, we are watching the pressure point or redness, any abrasion over the skin. Then reduce the pressure caused by the body weight of his or her body or object by changing the position and using the protective devices. Then preliminary assessment. In that we have to check the patient's general condition, check the physician's order for any limited movement, then assess the self-care ability of an individual, arrange the comfort devices near the bedsides, identify the discomfort extremity, support the immobilized area during the positioning, identify the rational before the positioning. Then what the things we needed? Equipments, extra manpower if needed, extra pillows, sheets and sheet rolls, comfort devices such as the backrest, cardiac table and sandbags. If it is needed, we have to use it that. Then how the procedure come? Same as all the procedures, we have to explain the procedure to the patient. Then we must provide the privacy because we are giving the positioning to the patient. So provide the privacy, then arrange the articles and manpower if needed, then untie the bed sheet, then turn, lift and ambulate gently, place and support with the extra pillow under the pressure point. Yes, if under the pressure point we are keeping the extra pillows, then it is good and it will help for a patient. Then special care taken pressure area, we have to massage it, we have to powder it, we have to keep comfort devices just like rings, pillows and soft rolls so that patient may not get the pressure. Hand wash and cover the patient with it. Special care should be taken in a pressure area. Then cover the patient with a top sheet and hand wash and record the time, position and condition of the skin. Especially this kind of care we are giving to a patient, those who are chronic case of patient, or those who are long time patient in a bed. Okay, this was the purpose and this thing, definitions, factors, principles you have seen. And next video we will see the positions. Okay, bye bye.